On today's episode, we will be exploring a really cool continent, so let's dive right to it.
Welcome back, kids.
Can you guess where we are off to next?
We have already visited 6 of the 7 continents. Do you still remember which ones?
We were in Antarctica, North America, Australia, Europe, Asia, and Africa.
That leaves us with just one more continent.
John, wait a second. Before we tell our little adventurers where we are off to next, we have a surprise.
Our superhero Susie will be joining us today.
Hey there, super adventurers. So glad to see you. Guess what? Today we are going to South America. So, put on your explorers' hats and follow us.
Come join the fun!
South America is located in the southern part of the Earth. It is the 4th largest continent after Asia, Africa, and North America. In South America, you have 12 countries, such as Brazil, Chile, Bolivia, Argentina, Ecuador, and Suriname, just to name a few. Hey Sammy, can you tell us some interesting things about South America?
Toucans are colorful birds with large, brightly colored bills. They are found in the rainforests of South America and are known for their distinctive calls and vibrant feathers. Hey, young explorers! Did you know that people in South America speak many different languages? In 9 out of the 12 countries, they speak Spanish. Can you say hola? It means hello. But in Brazil, they speak Portuguese like olá. They may sound similar, but these are very different languages.
Welcome to the beautiful country of Peru. Peru is home to one of the most famous ancient ruins in the world, Machu Picchu. It's like a real-life treasure hunt hidden high up in the Andes Mountains. Have you ever seen a llama or an alpaca? Well, in Peru, these fluffy animals are everywhere. They have long necks and cute faces, and they're super friendly. People in Peru use their soft wool to make warm clothes and blankets.
Hey there, curious minds. Let's talk about the incredible Inca civilization. Imagine a long time ago, way before smartphones or cars, there was a group of people called the Incas who lived in Peru. They are the indigenous people of Peru. Do you know the meaning of the word indigenous? Listen closely, kids, and let me explain. Indigenous means people who've been in one place for a super long time. They have their own language, like the Inca people who speak Quechua, and they do things in their own special way. They have cool traditions that they've passed down from their ancestors. One of the most interesting ways they communicated was by something called quipus. Quipus were like special strings with knots tied in them. Each knot had a different meaning, kind of like secret codes.
Brazil and Argentina are known for their incredible football teams. Both countries have a rich footballing history and have produced some of the greatest players in the world. From Pelé and Ronaldo in Brazil to Diego Maradona and Lionel Messi in Argentina.
The Brazilian Carnival is a vibrant and colorful festival. It's a celebration filled with music, dancing, parades, and incredible costumes. The streets truly come alive with the sounds of samba music and the sight of dancers moving to the rhythm. It's an explosion of joy and energy. Hey there, friends. We are back from the beautiful South America.
South America is an amazing continent full of history and beautiful places to visit.
Hope you had as much fun as we did exploring the 7 continents. Can't wait to take you on our next adventure.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, rewatch, like, and share. See you soon, friends.